Hello everyone, my name is Tyler with Specialty Appliance down here in Colorado Springs. I'm the install manager for Colorado South, and we're just going to be discussing some common mistakes and common issues that we see when we install appliances. So some of the things that we look for when we want to do an install on a dishwasher is, first thing we want to do is we want to do the measurements, make sure that everything is right for the space. Now, if these measurements aren't correct, then we need to probably modify the opening or try and find you a dishwasher that is going to fit in that space. So back to installation after we cover the dimensions. So here at Specialty, we do a wide range of dishwasher installs. Some dishwashers have a wood panel that blend it into your cabinets and some don't, they're stainless steel. Here at Specialty, all of our installers can do both kinds. So we can install the panel as well as install the regular stainless steel. So here at Specialty, we install dishwashers every day and every house is different, every setup is different, but just double check and make sure that your plumbing is up to code so that when we do an install for you, we can make it up to spec for the manufacturer and get you taken care of here at Specialty Appliance.